Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a Git workflow with branches in Visual Studio Code, in which we'll be using a different branch. We switch to a branch, we make some changes on it, and we push it, and maybe we merge a branch. So the project is here. Here we have a main branch and a develop branch. And what I'm going to do is in Visual Studio Code, I'm going to navigate to the develop branch. So I'm going to work on the develop branch, and let's see when we can also see the changes appear online. So at the right, I'm going to start Visual Studio Code, and here we can see I am on the main branch. And to change this, I click on here. I click on something, click this away. There, I'm going to click here on develop. There. I'm going to click on develop. There, here I'm going to click on develop, and now I'm on develop. So now I'm on develop, I can make a trivial change on develop, and I'm going to show you that it actually reached the repository. Alright, so now I'm on develop here. You click this here at the bottom, and now let's go take a look at the files. This thing is there. We're going to go to the bottom of the README file for still on develop. You can see this here. This is the test on develop. I've made a change. Now I'm going to add and commit it. I'm also going to stage it immediately. That's an intermediate step. Just going to stage this directly. Added testing message on develop. There, I save it. Let's Ctrl S. I close it. And now I have made a commit called add test. Now I can synchronize the change, which means they're pushed to develop. And when this is done, I will refresh the online version. And here we have our latest commit. If you want to go back to master again or to the main branch, you click here, you go check out the main branch, and you'll see that the text immediately changes on your local computer. With this, I have just shown you how to work with Git branches on Visual Studio Code. I wish you a very good day. Bye!